Hello student, in this section we will solve question from the topic limit and derivative and from the subtopic evaluation of the limit by using some standard formula. So the question is limit x tends to 2 sine e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by log of x minus 1 and options are minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So the limit is x tends to 2 sine of e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by log of x minus 1. To evaluate this limit, multiply and divide by e to the power x minus 2 minus 1. Then this limit will become limit x tends to 2 sine e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 and also multiply the same expression, that means x minus 2 minus 1 and log x minus 1 is as it is. Now to solve further, apply the property, limit property. Limit x tends to a, fx multiply gx is equal to limit x tends to a, fx multiply limit x tends to a, gx. So this limit is equal to limit x tends to 2 sine e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 multiply the limit will be same, x tends to 2 and it is e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by log x minus 1. So it is log x minus 1. Now to simplify further is equal to, now since suppose x tends to 2, then x minus 2 will tends to 0. On taking exponential both sides, we will get e to the power x minus 2 is equal to tends to e to the power 0. The value of e to the power 0 is 1. Then e to the power x minus 2 tends to 1. If you take 1 left side, then this will become e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 tends to 0. So in place of x tends to 2, write e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 tends to 0. Because in further we apply some limit property to solve this. So this will become limit x limit e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 tends to 0, and this sine e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by e to the power x minus 2 minus 1, and another limit x tends to 2 e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by log of x minus 1. Now, since the limit property is if limit x tends to 0 and sin x by x is always 1. So in the same way, this is sin something same quantity, that is e to the power x minus 2 minus 1, and it is also in denominator, and limit is also approaching to the same quantity to 0. So the value of this limit will be 1. And if you put x tends to 2 in this, now just write this limit, then this will become x tends to 2 e to the power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by log x minus 1. Now on taking limit, we will get, on putting x equal to 2, e to the power 2 minus 2 is 0 minus 1 divided by log 2 minus 1 is equal to the value of e to the power 0 is 1, so it is 1 minus 1 and it is log 1. So it is 0 and denominator also 0 because log 1 is 0. So it is the form of 0 by 0, that is indeterminate form. So to solve this limit we have to apply L'Hospital rule. The L'Hospital rule is the L'Hospital rule is, suppose limit x tends to a, fxy gx is equal to same limit x tends to a, f dash x divided by g dash x, that here f dash x is the derivative of fx and g dash x is the derivative of gx. So applying this L'Hospital rule in this limit, so we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So the derivative of e to the power x minus 2 is itself e to the power x minus 2 and derivative of minus 1 is 0. Then this limit will be is equal to limit x tends to 2, the numerator will be e to the power x minus 2, and on differentiating denominator, the derivative of log x minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1. Now on putting limit, that is in place of x substitute 2, then we will get e to the power 2 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1, it is equal to e to the power 0 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 by 1 is 1, and the value of e to the power 0 is also 1. That means the required value of the limit is 1. That means option D is the correct answer. Thank you.